Alright guys, I'm back. I got this plow all taken care of. There was a couple of little things I had to do to it to get it to work for me. I had to put some tabs on the end of the 1-inch tubular that I had welded on in the front, because even with the angle it still wanted to slide back and forth. Also, I had to use a little different chain binder than I had expected to use. So anyway, I'll show you what I got here, and when I bring you guys back, I'll be showing you the plow and then how I'm hooking it up to the tractor. I got the chains on it and the binder ready to go. Alright guys, here's the plow. These are the tabs that I had to put on the end. It's a piece of 2.5 inch angle iron that I welded to the bottom of the 1-inch piece of tubular, to the bottom and the sides, so it's solid. When I had test fitted it to the bucket, it wanted to slide off the sides of the bucket. These are the clamps that I'm using, clasps that I'm using to attach the chain binder. I got the chain binder that has the removable handle so it wasn't sticking out there on it, and I had an old piece of chain that was longer than I needed, so I cut that off. I ran it through the piece of 2-inch tubular, and it comes out the other side. There's the other tab that I had welded on, and the other clasp that I used. Now, I'm going to be taking and mounting this right on the tractor for you guys. It's a drive-in, drive-out type system. There's the bucket on the tractor. So, I'm going to do this, and you guys can watch. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the snow blade for my yanmar tractor. I got plenty of counterweight on the back end of that thing with a backhoe on there to counterweight the snowplow on the front. This is how everything come together. We got the U-bolts with a clasp through it, going through up to the chain binder. Chain goes up and over the bucket, down the back side, and then it goes through that piece of 2-inch tubular, which is cinched up tight to the bottom of the bucket, and it comes out the other side, up and over the bucket, and down to that U-bolt right there. So, I have a full angle plow. This lever here, you pull it forward, and you adjust the plow manually back and forth. Trip edge works. The lift frame on the tractor lifts and lowers the plow. So, there you have it. I'll do a little bit of plowing and put some video of me plowing with it on the end of this video. Alright guys, there's not a lot of snow here right now. It's starting to melt off already, but I figured I'd play in it a little bit so you guys can see the tractor and the plow working together and see what I'm doing and what to expect if you build your own. So I'm going to get to it. I want to wish you guys a good day, and thanks for joining me in the shop. Bye-bye. So, one other thing that I found about having this set up on my bucket is that I can stack the snow a lot higher than I could with a conventional snowplow on a pickup truck or a four-wheeler. So, I'm really liking this. I like this setup. I can't wait to do the pallet forks that I'm going to be building for this later this winter. When things slow down, I kind of get a little bored and want to play some more in the shop. So, it's been fun. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.